One of the very interesting operations in the beginning stages of programming is finding the bigger of the two numbers. Bigger of the two numbers without using the relational operators. It's very interesting. For example, if you take two numbers 5 and 8, the bigger is 8. It is found out by finding first sum of the numbers 5 and 8, it is 13. Then take the absolute value absolute value of 5 and 8. So 5 minus 8, it is minus 3, and its absolute value is 3. If you recall your mathematical principles, absolute value of A is A if A is greater than 0. Otherwise, absolute value of A is A if A is less than or equal to 0. So based on the principle, the absolute value of 2 is 2. Absolute value of minus 2 is 2. So anyhow it is same. So the absolute value of 5 and 8 is minus 3, and then its absolute of minus 3 is 3. So now if you compare now after that you add this addition of these two numbers 5 8, it is 13. Absolute value of 5 and 8 is 3. So 13 plus 3 whole divided by 2. So it is 16 by 2, it is 8. As you know that 8 is the bigger of 5 and 8. So if you take the two numbers A and B, which are two numbers, and the bigger is A plus B plus the absolute value of A and B whole divided by 2. Another example, if you take 3 and 5, so the bigger of these two, so 3 plus 5 plus the absolute value of these two divided by 2, which is once again equivalent to that sum of 5 and 3 8, and then the absolute value of this, so 8 by 2 it is 5. So 5 is bigger. So very simple. So no relational operator is used in this. No relational operator is used. If you see the program, a C program for the bigger of the two numbers. So as usual you include stdio.h for dealing with the standard input-output functions, and include stdlib. This is for calculating the absolute value. So then you start your function main, and so here are the three variables num1, num2 and big. So first you prompt for entering any two integers. So then the scanf, you accept the two numbers. You say big is num1 plus num2, this addition of two numbers, and the absolute value of these two numbers divided by 2. Then you can print the value of the bigger, and then you can return 0. So this is a very simple example of finding out the bigger of the two numbers without using a relational operator. Thank you.